Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Bienvenidos. We're doing a little get ready with me today. This is the complete look. I'm actually gonna head out to a bridal shower right now, so it is kind of like wedding season, a lot of like summer baby showers, so this is like a perfect look for something like that, or even for like a date night or for a brunch, or if you have hair in your eye, for any day that you want to wear this. But it's a very, you know, daytime appropriate blush, nude, neutral, girly kind of makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I got ready today and how I achieved this look, I'll also show you my outfit. Then just keep on watching. All right, so I am literally about to get ready. I'm gonna do, I mean, I always do more minimal looks, but I want to keep it very skin focused today and make it look very natural. I'm pretty sure it's going to be outside, so I want it to look good, obviously, especially because we're going to be out in natural light. So I haven't done anything to my face. I've only done my eyebrows. By the way, I always do my moisturizer first and then I continue with my makeup, but I did my eyebrows first this time before moisturizer, and I feel like they went on a lot better. Usually when I put my moisturizer, it makes it really slippery, and I never thought of, you know, doing my eyebrows first for some reason, but kind of digging it. I'm kind of digging it. By the way, I'm using my Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. I need I need a refill on this already because I use it all the time and I get quite a bit, so I like to go in. I think my neighbors got a new dog or something because we never used to hear barking before, and now there's a dog barking like all the time. Okay, I think my skin is nice and moisturized now. And then I am gonna do some sunscreen just because, like I said, I think it's gonna be outside. And I'm using my Cerave Hydrating Sunscreen. I'm really digging my eyebrows first before moisturizer. Get some water real quick. Actually, I'm gonna have one of these sparkling. I love these. They have zero everything, 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 sodium, 0 everything. I don't know if it's gonna, it has gas, so I don't know if it's gonna pop. Oh, it is. Do I want to use a primer today? Because I got this one from It Cosmetics. They sent it to me for like in a PR package, and some of you guys told me to try it out, but it is a, well, it's not matte, I don't think. Base that hydrates your skin while extending the wear of your makeup. Okay, we're gonna try it. I didn't want to use anything matte on my face today, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a try. It's supposed to be a makeup gripping base, pore refiner, and a hydrator all in one. It actually does feel hydrating on the skin. So far so good. Nothing new. I'm using my Hourglass Vanish Seamless Foundation Stick in beige and in golden tan. Beige is okay on me. It does come up a little bit lighter, so I just like to mix both of them. You don't have to though. I think there's a shade in between these two, but I just haven't gone to, or maybe there's not, I don't know, but these are just the ones I use. I think I could even just use golden tan by itself, honestly. I honestly put a little bit too much foundation, especially on my forehead. I usually don't do that much just because I don't need that much, and I find that with this foundation, if you start off with a little bit then work your way up, it looks a lot better on the skin. I don't like to go in with a whole lot of it in the beginning. This is real life, you guys. This is what happens to me while I actually get ready. But I don't like to go in with a lot at first because it just looks a little weird and it's just slippery on my skin. I don't know if I've told you guys, but I got a new shade in the e.l.f. concealer. Maybe I did tell you. But I got the shade medium beige, and it's so much better than the other shade that I got. It's more like similar to my skin tone. The other one was just way too light for me. Just taking a little bit of this in the inner corner. A little bit goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. And I really mean it with this one because is a lot. And I've really been liking this brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's their powder blurring brush. I used it for my foundation and then I just wiped off whatever was on it and then using it for my concealer. It's a good, if you're the type of person that doesn't like using 500 brushes when you do your makeup, which is me sometimes, I will use this for my foundation, clean it, do my concealer, clean it, do my cream bronzer, all in one. And it's nice for everything because it fits perfectly right here, it fits perfectly under here, and then it's good for buffing out your foundation as well. I will do a little bit of cream contour. I'm using my Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in Toffee. Just gonna do the tiniest bit of this because we're going for the natural look, okay? So I'm just using that same brush, back of my hand. Really subtle. Even though we're going for a natural look, I'm gonna set because you can see there's a sheen to my skin, and us oily skin girls and guys do not do well without setting our face somehow. Only time I don't set my face is when I do the no makeup everyday look, when I mainly just use concealer, but today, So to set, I am gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in light, very light, only setting up in here. I used to just go in everywhere, but now I like to focus it just right there. Oh, I love this foundation and this combination that I do. I freaking love, because the skin looks nice even before putting anything else on. I am tempted to throw in some faux freckles, but I don't know if I have a good pencil to do that. I kind of want to use a lip liner and see if that works better, because I want to do more of a light brown, almost nude. I think I found one. I'm gonna try Urban Decay lip pencil in Nighthawk, and I'm doing it before my bronzer and before anything else. That way when I put my bronzer and other powders on top, it kind of blends. You can kind of tell. I think I'll stop right there. And using the same brush I used for my cream bronzer and all of that, I'm gonna go over top. It's enough to see in person to where it looks like you kind of have something going on there. Okay, bronzer, I'll just use, oh no, I have a new one from Morphe. This is the Morphe bronzer in Debutante. When I first saw this, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna like it because it looks a little bit more neutral than I normally go for. I go for warm bronzers all the way. But I tried it and I do like it, so I'm just gonna use a little bit, again, a little bit of everything to set the cream that I put, and just to kind of like define that little color that I have going on. See that color? And how it adds color and life back to my skin. Look at the rest, looks kind of light. Freaking love bronzy skin. Try this bronzer. It's a mini. I was looking for like a full size, but I think they only sell it like this unless you get it in the big palette that has like all kinds of other stuff. I found it in the little travel section at Ulta, in case you guys want to go look. What I am going to do a lot of though is blush. I've been into the blush look lately, so I'm using one from Bare Minerals. This came in an entire collection too that had this print on it. It's the Bare Minerals Gen Nude blush in Blooming Poppy, and I always use this Morphe M105, and this is pigmented, so start off light. I like to do the blush on the apples of my cheeks Some people like to do the blush here. It just depends on your face shape. I like my cheeks when I smile to really see how it makes them look really defined right here. That's what I like. Makes you look like a baby doll, like you're just blushing, you have some freckles, makes the skin look very youthful. Since I'm not doing highlight, like defined highlight, I do want to add a little tiny bit of glow. So I'm going to use this MAC Cosmetics Serenity Seeker Iridescent Powder. This packaging is so nice. It's a pink marble. And it looks just like this. It looks like a highlighter blush kind of mixed together. So I'm just gonna do the tiniest bit. Urban Decay All Nighter. Do not overdo this, you guys. I know how tempting it is to go like, which I'm guilty of too, but with this one specifically, I find that the further you do it and you just let it drop onto your skin, it makes it just lock in. The more I do, I feel like it defeats the purpose. That's just me. That's just me. Just trying to give y'all some skin. Glossy, bronzy, lush, toned skin. Okay, I'm gonna finish.
It's like a tint. Okay, cut.
Here's my outfit. Let me get as far back as I possibly can. I'll show you guys right now. But I'm thinking of wearing this Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick. I don't want to do a matte lip today. But what I am going to do first is put a little bit of my lip liner, which is one of my Morphe ones. I've been using a lot of Morphe lately, I think. But this is my Morphe lip liner in Honeymoon, which is perfect because bridal shower, honeymoon. And it's a really nice nude that isn't too gray, isn't too pink. I could do a nude if I wanted to. But we're not going to. I'm going to do a little bit of this. I'm taking this color. By the way, this is in Send Nudes. Oh, I'll be taking this in my purse. I also have another one, but I think this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. And I'm not even doing anything to my hair. These curls are from last night. And I'm just leaving out a little bit of hair. And then the rest is just in a really messy kind of bun. So, very elegant, girly, classy. I do want to put a little bit of body spray perfume. Like halfway through this, and I've had it forever, and it's one of my favorites. Is the KKW Fragrance. KKW Body is the name of it. And we're ready. I'm about to show you my outfit, but for my shoes, I'm wearing these ones that I got from Miss Lola. I showed them in my haul as well. They're just these really nice daytime. They have a clear strap and then they have a nude one. And I decided to go ahead and wear a midi skirt. It's a really tight all the way down pencil skirt, but it's a very stretchy, breathable kind of material. That's my outfit. I might end up changing the heels to my just clear slipper style shoes, just because I'm looking at them in the mirror and they look a little bit different. So you guys will see, like, probably on Instagram once I post my outfit picture, or I'll, you know, put it as my thumbnail or something. But this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little get ready, not even quick, but this get ready with me. I gotta go, but if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. Let me know how you liked this video down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link my outfit down below in the description box. I love y'all. Los quiero mucho, and I will see you all in my next video.